compounded interest, and how do I find the amount? Now this is probably the most straightforward of the compound interest problems. You have your formula. A is your amount equals your principal, which is your starting amount you deposit or starting amount of your loan, times the quantity 1 plus your interest rate as a decimal, divided by n, and n is the number of compounds per year, and then raised to the n, which is again number of compounds per year, times t, and t will be in time. T will be in time. T will be in years. All right, and so we'll do an example. So let's suppose $100 is in an account earning 2% interest compounded quarterly. Find the amount after 5 years. Okay, so it says suppose $100 is in an account earning 2% interest compounded quarterly. Find the amount after 5 years. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to write all my variables, A, P, and this time I know what they are. R, and remember interest rate is a decimal, so you're going to convert percent to a decimal, you need to move that decimal place to the left twice. P is 100, that's your initial deposit. And then N is quarterly, so 4 quarters makes $1, and then time is 5 years. Okay, all we got to do is plug it in. It's going to be 100 times 1 plus 0.02 divided by 4 raised to the 4 times 5 power. Now I'll show you how to enter it into like a TI-30 with the parentheses, 100 parentheses, 1 plus 0.02 divided by 4, and then it's very, very important that you have those parentheses there. If you don't, you're going to get something different, and you don't want to lose points by getting something different. Okay, and you don't want to lose money either. Okay, and then caret 4 times 5 is 20. Then we'll crunch those numbers in our calculator, and well, all right, 5 years, we got about $10.49 in interest, so we can go buy ourselves something fancy at Starbucks. So that's how much I have in the account after 5 years. 2% is not the best, but it's a fairly good interest rate. All right.